Going off-grid in the UK is a big step. Here are 10 crucial things to know before you make the leap. From Axiom Eco Homes. Size your battery for winter generation, not the annual average. A 4 kilowatt system may produce only 2 to 4 kilowatt hours per day in December. Budget between £8,000 and £18,000 upfront for a complete off-grid solar system with battery and inverter. South-facing roofs at a 30 to 40 degree tilt produce 20 to 30% more electricity than east or west-facing ones. Most off-grid homes in the UK need a backup generator costing between £500 and £2,000 for the winter months. Register your system with the Microgeneration Certification Scheme to qualify for future Smart Export Guarantee tariffs. Lithium-ion batteries last 10 to 15 years. Lead-acid only 5 to 8. Budget £5,000 to £8,000 for replacement. Reduce your household demand to lower your upfront costs. A smaller battery and fewer panels will be needed. Install a smart inverter to manage battery charging and maximize your system's efficiency. Calculate your generator runtime. Typically, you will need 2 to 4 hours per day in winter to charge your battery bank. Set aside £400 to £600 per year in a sinking fund for future battery replacement. Ready to go off-grid? Visit Axiom Eco Homes for expert advice and installation.